Good morning and welcome to Mam Talks. I'm Kathy.
I'm Jan.
And I'm Anna, and today we're discussing one of my favorite subjects.
The green.
Money.
Ways to make money from home, especially now that we're retired. It's not always as easy as you plan. So we were thinking about what are the ways to make money, or that we have found to make money. So we can start up with, you can sign up for a temp agency, and they'll send you out for jobs here and there. You can dog sit. You can...
Or walk dogs.
Or walk dogs.
Well, I'm going to say something about dog sitting because my daughter was doing that and they were paying her $40 an hour so she got exercise for 1 hour and walked the two dogs, and that was it.
And can you do more than one dog at a time?
Oh, absolutely. She was doing two. Yeah.
So she got $40 for the two?
Yeah. Because it was one house, but I've seen people walk 4 or 5 dogs.
There's a lady around here that does it. Man, I didn't know she was making so much money.
Yeah, it's
I'm so tempted, even though I don't like dogs. Well,
people will do anything for their dogs or their pets. Put it that way, especially
That's
dogs.
true.
Especially
That's
dogs.
true.
Wow.
Yeah.
Anyway, and you can always have a party. Remember those old Tupperware parties or home decorating parties or...
They have a lot of those fashion parties now.
Yes.
Yeah,
I love
the
those.
fashion ones,
Yeah.
Tupperware. We did Mary Kay.
Remember the Longenberger basket?
Oh, yeah, those
those
were
were so much
Those
fun.
were very
And
popular.
Amway.
And now I see those baskets for sale on local
Right.
on local
That's
websites.
okay, they had their day. But I mean, Tupperware's still around, which is amazing. And so is Mary Kay and Amway. Those things are still around for how many years now? Like, oh my gosh.
Well, one thing that you told me about that I've never heard of is Fiverr, and apparently you can advertise your skills or what have you.
Services.
Yeah, services. Well, I hate to advertise my services.
Well, you can make some money.
Yeah. But writing
We're
music.
not going there.
Somebody posted that they had sent an anonymous letter, that they would send a letter from their hometown, so you could send it anonymously.
So if you don't want someone to know where the letter came from, that's smart.
I like the glitter bomb idea. Send somebody a glitter bomb.
So they got what, $5 for it?
Yeah.
So imagine they send out I don't know, how much did they say they sent? They sent a lot.
I forget. It was $5, and they
was
sent out
$5.
65. I think it was.
So all they did was send them out a glitter bomb. I mean, I don't know. I kind of would worry about that word in there, but still, it's kind of like.
Another thing that I looked into, because I love my photography so much, you can submit photographs to stock photo sites.
That's
And they'll sometimes
Pay
they'll
for
use
that.
them, and they'll pay you for.
And you release the rights to them, like they can publish them.
Mhm.
Right.
Yeah.
That's good.
I know. I
How
think
about
that's a
you?
great
What do
idea.
you do yourself?
Well, I have a couple of gigs. That's your word. That I help out an organization by doing newsletters and stuff like that.
Which is great.
Which is and it's fun. I love doing that. It's fun.
What else about crafty stuff that you can sell?
Oh yeah, I'm really crafty.
Well, no,
You
but
used to
not
sell
you
used to
but-
sell books on
I still do.
on
Hence
eBay.
the books behind us.
So what are some other ideas, Jan?
Let's see.
Etsy. We said Etsy.
Get a roommate.
Get a room.
That would be so unlikely.
I
in
know
my
someone
house.
though who does Airbnb. She has a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, and she rents out the 1-bedroom, 1-bath, and it pays her rent every month.
Mm-hmm.
I've considered it.
That's like crazy.
Now that I'm totally alone, I've considered it.
I don't want to share my kitchen. I don't want to have to worry if I'm walking around, and I just want to put something on that.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I've decided I'm going to have people move in, so I can't rent out any part of my house.
And you did Uber.
That's right. What about? I was going to say, what about that Secret Shopper? Have you guys ever done that?
Mystery shopper?
No.
It's called Secret Shopper.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Mhm.
I thought it was mystery shopping.
I think my daughter did that for a while, and I mean, you make a few bucks here or there. It's not, but all these things, little things to do, they add up if you're doing that. And you want, you know. to
Can I
keep
just
busy.
say, I did that survey, take surveys online,
Mm-hmm.
and they would say, oh, you know, you can make $15 and for this survey. So they would ask all these questions, and I thought, oh, good, I made $15. I took the survey. And then they go, well, thank you for your information, but you don't quite click, or you're not compatible for the survey. That was just like the pre-survey
Jeez.
information. And so I ended up making like $8, and I got 2 gift cards for Amazon. Would you believe that I never got the gift cards? And
Oh,
I have written them. I
Oh,
have
my
tried
goodness.
to contact them.
You spent more time doing that.
Exactly, not worth it. Not worth it.
So yeah, so Uber and Lyft are another option, and I did as an experiment because I just was so curious about it. So I did Uber for, I don't know, maybe a dozen rides just to see, and it was like, eh.
And you
mean-
wouldn't do it in town.
No, I left our town and went elsewhere so I wouldn't see somebody that knew me. I'd be too embarrassed. I didn't even tell anybody I was doing it.
Mm-mm.
I told my husband. I think I told my
She
daughter
told us.
later after the
We
fact.
considered putting it on the front
Yeah, on the
page.
signal, our big town paper. There's also, I know people can write ebooks and make money. It's a possibility. There is also tutoring, and I know tutoring you can make a lot of money if you, especially with like the junior high, high school kids. If you're good in math and English, those are the 2 subjects that more math probably than anything else.
You'd be great at tutoring Spanish.
I don't want to tutor.
I know.
I
don't
wouldn't-
either.
well, I couldn't tutor math.
But you would be great at it.
Thank you.
Yeah.
You know, one of the main reasons I don't want to tutor is because you have to do it when the kids come out of school. So most of the tutoring takes place at 3 o'clock in the
Yeah.
afternoon. Well, that's right smack in the middle of your day.
Right, and you're done. Or if it's at dinner time and you just, at that time, I don't want to be going out doing extra stuff.
Yeah.
Another one is, it's sell your knowledge. It's called Kumcam or Udemy,
Udemy.
and it gives you the opportunity to sell what you know. So let's say you love to
Ooh.
garden or you love to cook,
Or you can do sushi.
whatever your skills are, and you can sell your knowledge about that. I mean, you can
And you go on that website, and
yeah,
then
you
and
can go right on
that's
the website, but you can do anything. It's just amazing. Like there's an opportunity for anything. The other thing too is home care. A lot of people like to, you look in on somebody that maybe can't leave the house, or you're helping a new mom with the baby, or you're just helping with some childcare. Again, it's endless. There are so many things you can do. And my one thing I would say is just be careful on some of the sites. Just really know that it's a reputable site, that the people that are contacting you or that you're contacting are reputable. Just do it with a grain of caution.
a grain of caution.
Grain of caution. But again, this is just what we give you, like 15 things. There are so many. So if you're retired and you want to start making some money, then get on the stick and get it done.
Get her done.
Get her done. Get her done. And let us know.
Yes, please let us know. Thank you so much for sharing. And don't forget those click and share buttons.
Remember?
Wait. What did I just say? Don't forget those click and share buttons.
Yeah.
Yes. Well,
Thank you for clicking those share and like buttons.
We need someone holding cards so we make sure we say the right things.
be sure to subscribe to Mam Talks on YouTube.
And our website, www.mamtalks.com. And remember to keep embracing getting older with us. Bye.
Bye.